AdomTV kase guso aye kenkan edema yenko Cape Coast na kopima Roman Catholic asaforo panyimpa wa na da no Archbishop Palmer-Buckle ene na wode afutuo ma wo mo ye adwuma wo mpomden aso ye sanka be ya wo mo nka omomom se bo ba kuma de sanse prayer wi ba kwa na ebu wo kabo manya de bebu de bra da na afei eno mo ma mpomden ho nsem enkoso wo man yi
Ghana man Apomuden adwuma no epeja St Francis Xavier Hospital no efri kane udibre no abegina secondary hospital a ekire se yarwa hudu bia kane na mrama kwan so obehwe ewa ha no sesei wo ho kwan so obetumi ahwe yade ahodo a ekisa ni nyina eno na Archbishop Palmer-Buckle ahye doctor for nurses for ne Apomuden adwuma fo ni nyina se won fan kambo munya adwuma se de be ya amanfo no ebenya ho mfaaso.
Don't underrate who you are, because this is the time that one day you will hear from God, I was sick and you took care of me. And then he will say, come, enter into the joy of your master. And to those of you who are nurses, who are doctors, who are orderlies, I want to say I'm proud of this hospital. I'm proud of your camaraderie. I'm proud of your relationship with one another. And I would like to say, please, keep it up. You need one another. Doctors need the nurses. Doctors and nurses need the patients. The patients need the doctors and the nurses. It's only by so doing that one day you will hear from the Lord.
Sister Georgina Donzin, our no. Ena hwe St Francis Xavier Hospital ya sabia no soso no ekire so man nyina nyanka bomu se de be ya adodode a ewo di bia wanya ne sisi no oman no betumi anya ho mfaso
ye ne me e plan treatment go a na betumi am a edro bi betumi am but ya be second let us say bia baka anti nyema bia ka ji se doctor se for kepus se betumi ayi anti second treatment for na so oni ji say abaha bibi yanka say faka na ko kepus
asinfo su MC eni mpinifo ahodo a eba adwumedi na se nyina so kire se wodo ahoden beboa afedamo e de amaneboyi efra asinfo su St Francis Xavier Hospital ene bradum kase